Well, there's no deer out today, but there is some turkeys over there. I have my camera zoomed in. I don't know if you can make that out. There she is. There's another one there. Looks like two hens. We got turkeys foraging, I guess you'd call it, on this 4th of July. Happy birthday, America, 250th. And from what I understand, Benjamin Franklin wanted to make the turkey the national bird because of how tough it was to live in North America in the winters and survive the brutal cold. There she is. There they are, two turkeys. Cool.